Hello everyone and welcome to Sawdust Sunday. This is Scott with Another Turn Woodworks and welcome. First off, I am so close to 200 likes on my Facebook page, and at 200 likes I am giving away a piece of my woodwork. It might even be what I made for this video, but I'm not going to show that quite yet, but I'm giving away something at 200 likes. So if you like what you're seeing, think about liking and following my page. Also, I'm on YouTube, so if you think you want to keep up to date with what's happening at Another Turn, think about subscribing to my YouTube channel as well. But most of all, just thank you so much for watching in that. I do these mainly because I truly enjoy woodwork, and I enjoy showing you guys what's out there in the world of woodwork in that. And I'll admit, I am not the greatest, but each project I do, I gain even more passion for the woodworking industry, and every single time I do something, I keep on learning. And that's the most important thing I can do, is just keep on learning and keep on showing you what's out there, especially in the world of woodwork. So thank you guys. And today, what do I got in front of me? I have an old device. It's called the Ringmaster. I don't even know if they make these anymore. I've seen some attachments for the lathe using a similar style. But what is a Ringmaster? Well, a Ringmaster takes flat stock, just like this, and it turns it into something beautiful. And something like this could be yours with liking and sharing this page. This could be somebody random, or it could be something else I've done. You never know. But check out this beautiful willow bowl. Oh, absolutely beautiful. So this has got this willow bowl with one coat of boiled linseed oil. It's absolutely beautiful. Absolutely love it. I still need to polish it up and make it all shiny and that, but absolutely beautiful. One coat, and so how does this work? This is a set of rings. This is actually the same size piece that I made, and I kind of just rounded it off on the bandsaw just to kind of somewhat get it rounded. And what this will do is there's a set of blades in here that's going to move side to side and make very thin rings. And these rings then can be stacked together, and then I put them on this jig behind me, so I still get jiggy with it. Woodworkers, we like our jigs. And then once the glue dries, I'll put it on the lathe and I'll sand it down. And then I'll put that boiled linseed oil or another type of finish. I'm not sure what I'm going to do for the next one and that, because different finishes take effect to different woods differently. And it's always a continuing learning here at Another Turn. And, I hope you guys learn as well. Thank you guys so much for watching. Enjoy the rest of the video. I'm going to make a couple of bowls for you guys. And have a great week.